Hi friends, welcome to our channel SAP HANA Database Administration. So in today's video we are going to see the most important thing about the HANA Database Administration, that is how to get the books to read. Those are related to HANA Database Administration, because by doing the practicals or by getting the hands on the HANA database, we can't say that we learn each and everything, because theory is the most important thing. So because after reading the books we will get the new information about the new features, new concept, or we can say the things which we did might be we are not aware of about the what exactly happened in the background. For example, when we do the HDB stopped at the OS level, so as we know that from the HANA Studio, if we stop the HANA database, so there is an option is soft and hard shutdown. So if we do shutdown from the OS level, so is it soft shutdown or hard shutdown? So please give your answer in the comments, because I'm not going to provide the answer right now. We will discuss this in the next video. So now in today's video we are going to discuss about the books, and especially the free books. That books anybody, like anyone who is interested to learn SAP HANA database or HANA security, those working in the SAP, those are not working in the SAP, or those are trying to switch the technology, so that person also learn the HANA database by using this book. So as per my experience and knowledge, I listed the few books, 6 books. So in this video I will tell you the name of that books and the short description of that books, and then we will see from where we can download that books. So let's start. So these are the 6 books. The first book is SAP HANA Administration Guide. So SAP HANA Administration Guide, we can see so first book is SAP HANA Administration Guide. So about SAP HANA Administration Guide, I can say only one word, that is it's the book which it's a book with all information related to HANA database, and it's a key book. Okay, so we can see that in HANA database administration guide having the information related to core system administration. Like core system means each and every activity those performed, or those or any execution, or related to tables, or related to performance issue, or related to implementation, or related to scale out. So many topics. So because this we can see, if once you download, you will see that, because I know that there is more than 2000 pages are there in this book. So this book having all the information that you seeking, or that you are searching for. Okay, so it's having the security administration information, it's having about the scale out, DR, data provisioning, then how to use the access the HANA database from the OS level, that is the HDB SQL. So many things, many knowledge, all the knowledge we can say we will get at the from this book, from the SAP HANA Administration Guide. So second, another important book, that is the SAP HANA Troubleshooting and the Performance Analysis Guide. So from this guide we can resolve the performance issue. With the help of this guide we can resolve the performance issue. We can improve, or we can enhance the performance by using the suggestions or the notes, or the the information given in the in this book. So so that's the reason this is also another one of the important book. The third one is SAP HANA Tenant Database Operation Guide. As we know that now all the latest version are on the MDC multi-tenant database. So So we must know how to handle the, because on the single software there are minimum 20 database we can install on the MDC, in the MDC, on or we can say the tenant database we can install. So for example, if I have to stop that particular one database, there is one particular database I have to stop, so we must know that which command, or from where we can run that command, or so for that reason, to get that information about the backup of the tenant database, about the security, etc., etc., all this information we can get from the HANA database tenant operation guide. So the fourth one is HANA master guide. So when we plan for the implementation or the upgrade, okay, so that time about the sizing, architecture, then deployment options, and other option like implementation and related to operation, so all this information you will get under this book. And the fifth one is SAP HANA SQL and the system view reference. So in this book, basically, if we for example, I want to like if system is running with the high performance, like system is running with the full of the memory, so then I want to check, because I want to check which which users, which connections are there on the database, or memory consumption of the, who is using the maximum amount of memory. So I know that there is a table that which is expensive statement for that, as well as active statement tables are there. So as I know about the table, so I can go into that book, in this book, and I can find the columns, and I can write the statement, my own statement, by joining that both tables, or on the single table also I can write the query by as per the use of that particular column. So that's the use of this book. So by using this book we can learn about how to build our own statements. So that information is there under this book. So the last one, which is the administration guide for the additional SAP HANA capability. So this is the additional book. If you want, like, you can refer it, but this is also another the important book that we can refer to learn more about the HANA database. So now we saw which are the books that we supposed to refer. Now we will see from where we can download it, because getting the free book, that's a really good thing, because when I started my career, so that time the book was the main issue, from where we will get that book. So now in this video we will see from where you can download that book. So simply go into the browser and just go to support portal, support.sap.com. go to just access this portal. So on the home screen, just we will see, so once we access this portal we will get the home screen. So on the welcome screen we can see the multiple options are there. So we have to go to this last option, view product documentation. Okay, so it will open the new page. Now again we have to go to SAP documentation by the product. So after clicking on it, now we will get the list of the list of the all product. So we are looking for SAP HANA platform. So I just search with this, so it will help us to filter it. So now we can see we got the SAP HANA platform. So I'm just opening in the new page. Now this page is taken us to the latest version of the SAP HANA, that is a 2.0 SPS 05. If I click here, we can see all the versions, like 4, 3, SPS 3, then even 1.0 SPS 12. Okay, so here the earliest release or information is also given. So now we will see the latest version detail. So now if we come down, we can say, okay, here all the information is given: discover, implement, use, operate, develop. Okay, many options are there. So here we will see information about that particular version, what's new features, in this HANA database version. Then SAP HANA platform 2.0 SPS release notes. So this here we will get the all required information, what's the new in this version information we will get in the under this note as well. Then there are many other options are given like documentation update and all. So this is also, you know, the you can download, just you have to click on available PDF. Once you click here, you can see the new page open, and here we now got the PDF. So PDF file is there. I just have to click on the download, it will automatically will get download. So what's the new in SAP HANA platform 2.0? So it's just simply now, you know, the book is in front of us to get the more knowledge. Now we will see the implement. So in implement we can see the implementation and the upgrade. So as I said, SAP HANA Master Guide. Okay, so this is also available to download with the PDF format. There are other books also. Similarly, there is the implementation, there is a security, so you can download the books from here. In use, so in use we can see the SQL. So SAP HANA SQL reference guide for the SAP HANA platform. There here also you can see SAP HANA SQL script. So here the script related information is available under this book, so you can download just clicking here, you can download it. So then operate, in the operate we can see the administration related books are there. SAP HANA Cockpit, there SAP HANA tenant database information book is here. SAP HANA system replication book is also available. So each and every book you will get here. Okay, and this is free. You need not have to log in with anything. Just go there, click on that book. Okay, as again we will do that. So if I want this PDF about HANA development, just go here, click here and download it. Okay, so that's actually about the free books. So if you want more information, you can visit my blog. Okay, so this is the blog. You can get the information about my blog. So I'm just access the rupeshschauhan.blogspot.com. so here you will get the many people are using it. Just you can also try, if it you know useful for you, please share with your friend also, so they also will, because my intention was that, you know, we should reach to the person, those, you know, trying hard to learn. So actually my motto is that only. So please share also if you like it. So this is all about, you know, free books. So if you like the video, please subscribe my channel, share with your friends. Stay safe, stay home. Thank you, bye bye.